And we are back. Today is the day that we're gonna go ahead and rip off all of this garbage. I mean, there's so much that's gonna be just leaving us. I'm very, very excited. I'm not really too sure where to start. I guess I'll kind of work on at least disconnecting all of the like the hard lines and. Did you keep it down? All the hard lines and stuff like that, and then hopefully I'm thinking I can just go ahead and take the whole manifold off. Just where's the respect nowadays, man? We got JJ up in here. We got Heavy D going to, I don't know what he's doing. Bake some cookies or something. We're gonna actually do some fun stuff. What are you a picnic?
I'm here to work. I heard there's an opening at the garage.
What's in there? There better be beer in there.
There's
All right, so I think I got a plan of attack here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of the coolant lines, all the oil lines, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove the drain for the turbos, which also I'm gonna figure out how to do a single drain. I don't think we utilize this crazy little dual contraption thing. Little bracket here and there, and I think we should be, I think it's gonna be a whole lot easier than I thought. I mean, granted, it's out of the car, that's pretty much why. Yeah, how are you supposed to get these ones at the bottom, dude? I honestly think you have to take each turbo off individually.
oh, those bottoms.
Oh yeah, brother. Oh yes. I'm wondering. Let's see, what is this? 14. If I can sneak in here, I'm thinking if we find some magic, we might be able to. Oh man. Well, okay. This is a bit of a bigger process than we initially thought. I thought, hey, I'll get lucky and I'll just remove the, the drain and the feeds and all that stuff, and I'll just go ahead and remove these bolts and the manifold, and whoop, and she'll just come right off. No. We actually, I'm gonna have to take everything off pretty much individually, one by one, starting by the exhaust regulator valve, like this whole downpipe deal down here. Take off, there's 2 bolts here and this back bolt here. Apparently this bolt back there is known as the bitch bolt. If anyone wants these turbos, I know one guy messaged me interested. I'll have to see if he still wants them. Again, there's no shaft play on these things. They look very, very nice and new. So if you guys want them, hit me up. We'll figure something out. But I guess I'm just gonna start tearing apart this whole system. It seems pretty crazy, so I guess I'm just gonna start getting to it. Wow. Oh.
That sounds like it's been on there for 25 years.
Talk about a bolt that's on there. Whoa. Oh. Yes. Yes. First part down. Some nice gaskets, man. Look how thick those are. Okay, I see. So this sucker just slides right down with her. Yeah. All right, so my battery died, but in the meantime, all I did, you guys saw we took this off. We took off this like exhaust gas regulator. Look at all the carbon in there, dude. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a mountain range up in there. You guys seen that? So essentially this valve like keeps one turbo, like the exhaust gases from the turbo closed. So I don't know if that makes it spool the first one quicker, I believe, because then the gases have to flow through. I don't exactly know how it works, to be quite honest with you, but this just seems like it's overly engineered. Appreciate it, Toyota, but okay. Now, the only thing we did ever since then was take off the oil drain, which the actual pipes from the drain were like rock solid. Like these are rock solid. They actually like cracked and just snapped. They just broke right off. Other than that, I was able to get every single one of these bolts or nuts off, should I say, which is pretty damn impressive. Granted, it's probably a whole lot harder to do with the engine in the car. Alright, I might need your hand just in case there's still something attached onto here. course, I knew something.
Plugger or?
Oh, look at that! We didn't do too bad.
Nice.
Look at all the room! Wow! For sale. It's just better, is what that is. Gotta find out a way to clean it up. I gotta put some flat black paint on it, some high temp stuff. And I think I might just call it a day because I don't know if I just want to leave it the way it looks right now. So we'll probably go ahead and toss some ice cream on her. Let's just do it a reverse mount, bro. You know? Dude. There's reverse mount it. Look at that.
That looks more like it.
It looks like a little baby turbo on here. A little baby. Yeah, everyone's just stoned.
He just drives away.
Dude, there we go.
Yeah, that's better.
Woo! Woo! That's what we dream of right there, kids. I love how like low it is. Look at how low it is. It's okay. I think we'll polish this up a little bit, get it looking semi-nice. So you know, I'm just out here just doing a bit of sanding, enjoying a little cup of English tea. I look behind me. Mind you, it's been like 5 minutes. I look back. Holy cow. What is happening here, dude? Like, where did all this come from, dude? Oh, man. I think they're unhappy. They're like, oh, you bastard. We did not want to come off of there. I don't know why they have an accent. They're Japanese. They don't sound like that. Konnichiwa. I don't know about you guys, but that really cleaned it up. It looks pretty much brand new. It almost looks like it's ceramic coated. I mean, the paint is good. It just won't burn off. It's not like any coating or anything. It's just to paint it and make it look a little bit prettier. I mean, it just looks much better, much cleaner too. You know, just looks like a factory finish. That's what we like. I love how this is like the kind of the budget but still quality 2J. You know what I mean? Like it's nice. It's kind of nice. There we go. Now we got the full effect. Sorry, it's kind of dark out. That's why we're about to shut her down. We'll pick back up tomorrow. This garage again needs a cleanup, but man, it's just a good look. This area is just really good. So, starting the day off, a little cup of English tea. I gotta go ahead and strip out some more posters. If you guys have not yet grabbed one, would really appreciate if you guys go ahead and snag one, man. Free US shipping, so that saves you guys a few bucks right off the bat. International, I gotta charge you guys a few bucks because it is very expensive to ship anything more than a poster, or excuse me, a letter, a sticker, or something like that overseas. So link is down below. It really helps out the build. It really helps me out. I gotta say thank you to you guys for purchasing the merch, you know, a month or so back. It really did help kind of get to where we are with kind of like the whole build and stuff like that today. So if you guys can go ahead and continue the support, it would be freaking incredible. So we're gonna go ahead. I have some more posters to ship out, guys. Please be patient with me. So I'm doing my best to get a few out every single day. It does take a little bit of time, but just know that your poster is coming, and I did not forget about you. So today's plan, not too sure if it shows up in the title or not, but I think I'm gonna go ahead. I really want to get these cleaned up and painted because they're just a bit of an eyesore. With everything else looking so good as it does, these just don't look great.
Whoa, 2018! 2018, bro! Oh, I talked to you about this email, the shit's lit. Please send it.
You got the H2O after movie, guys. If you guys haven't seen it, please go ahead and check it out, man. Put a lot of effort into that video. Full of laughs, full of burnouts. Go ahead and check it out. Awesome. And who knows, if you guys were there, maybe you got a feature. Check it out. Man, I'm super excited. This is the whole like valve cover set has just been kind of killing the vibe as far as like the look, you know what I mean? You think I should go ahead and do my VVTI seal? Like, you know, because I think that might be leaking. Maybe it wouldn't hurt, because I did have a bit of a leak, it seemed like, from up here. Maybe it wouldn't hurt. All right, first stage complete. I figured priming. You guys don't like really priming, so I feel like I just did that for you. So yeah, as you guys can see, don't worry about our little oil cap. I just put that there because we're actually just gonna grab a new one because this one's kind of beat up and kind of toast anyways. We got everything taped up, obviously, that we don't need to. We pressure washed, degreased everything, sanded it all down. Actually gonna go ahead and do a quick little wet sand with some 400 grit on the primer. Only on the spots that you're gonna see. All this inner stuff, you're never gonna see it. It's gonna be covered by the center coil cover. If you guys are wondering what color we're going for the white, this is Nissan 326 Super White. Figured we go with a little Nissan color, you know what I mean? Check this color out. And if you guys ever seen a white, this right here is what we call a white. Actually, super white to be specific. The ratio for this paint right here is 2:1. That's usually how it is with most base coats. Some are different, but they usually say it right on the can. So yeah, man. If you guys are wondering where I get my paint from, because I know this is actually like a legitimate question. I actually just get it at like a local paint shop. For me, it's Paint Masters or Auto Finishers. You do need, it is like automotive paint. It is specific, I'm pretty sure. I don't think you can just go to Home Depot and get like house paint. Maybe you can. Get a roller while you're at it. Bit of tack rag, you know. Well, that ain't right. This ain't right, brother. Of course. Perfect timing. Okay, oh man, I think we're good now. Let's see. Yep. Hang on. There we go. Still gotta put clear coat on them, but damn, they look good. Alright guys, so it is currently 50 degrees outside, and in my opinion that's a little bit risky for some clear coat, you know, if we're trying to get that really nice ice cream finish. I'm not trying to get any moisture, any milking in it, especially when we do our center panel. I think it's gonna look really good. They look really great right now, but once we get that clear coat on them, ooh, man. This is, I love how much this has escalated since we initially bought it and we thought that we were just gonna pop it in and be good to go. No. But alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys have not yet checked out the H2O After movie, please go ahead and check it out, man. Spent a lot of time, a lot of laughs, a lot of burnouts. It's just, first off, the response from you guys, the comments have been super awesome. You guys have been saying it's like the best video I've ever made, or up there at least. So thank you guys who have watched and supported it. With a like, with a share, you guys are awesome. If you guys can go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, we're on the road to 100K. I'm really hoping that this build is gonna get us to that point before the end of the year. So go ahead, hit that red subscribe button, turn those notifications on, man, because there's a lot happening. You guys don't want to miss anything, right? So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys have not yet voted, go ahead and get that daily vote. I could really appreciate your help. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Peace.